going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be running the downspouts on the left side and the right side of the house, all the way out to the street to a pop-up emitter. They just got a pool put in, so we're going to come all the way down behind their pool pump and heater, all the way down on the side. Come out. He knows where the gate's going to go in, so that way we already know where we can turn beforehand. Come out, bypass everything, pick up this downspout, go all the way under the sidewalk to a pop-up emitter to lake the water, all the way go out. On the other side is the sump pump, which we'll be tying that in to make that go out as well. But you want to have this done so that way when all the water's coming down, he's going to be getting concrete in the back around his pool, so he wants to make sure it doesn't get flooded out. Here we go, and now we have the front left side dug. The sidewalk right here next to the curb. Got it going, didn't break any of the sprinkler lines. Found the cable line. Found the gas line right above everything. And this is how it's going to go from the back left all the way down, all the way around out to the street. Now to pipe and get the grade. All right, and here we go. Front left side is completely done. As you can see, water is going to come out of the pop-up, facilitate in the grass for a little second, go over the curb, and go all the way down to the closest storm drain. Have everything in, didn't break anything. As you can see right here, we have the level. It is going extremely all the way downhill. That's down here, and then even over here. As soon as everything hits this corner, it's gonna fly out so quick, it'll never sit there. And there's a reminder, guys, remember at the bottom of the 90s, where the pop-up is at the curb, there's a little hole in there, so it lets the water facilitate out of it when there's no more head pressure to keep it going to pump out. So when you don't see water going out of it from the top because the rain is stopped and you see water in the pipe, just remember that it is still slowly leaking out. And you see all the way down there, you got the test. And next video, see how everything works. And here we go. This is the front left side of the house. Got the hose in the back, so it's coming all the way to the front. See the water comes up, comes out, rolls over, and follows the path of least resistance to hopefully a storm drain down there. And that's it. Left side done. Next one is the right side. And here is the front right side of his house. We're going from the back right, tying the sump pump line and the front right downspout. Gonna come all the way out under the sidewalk to the curb, so the water can go over the curb and go down to the nearest storm drain, which on this side is over here to the right. As you see, you got under the steps. Got to come on down. You're gonna pick up that downspout. Got a sump pump line. You're gonna be teed into it, and always glue those. You have to because it's pressurized. And starting from the back right of the house. Now to pipe it up and get our level. And here's the sump pump line. Remember, you have to glue it. As you see, I already have it primered. Get it going, making sure you connect it into. You glue anything that it comes off of a pump line. You have to, because it's pressurized and it will just burst it apart. All right, and here's the right side of the house. As you can see, the pop-up is right there. The water is going to come out, facilitate over, go down, and drain all the way to the storm drain. I have everything connected in. Everything is running completely downhill. I have the sump pump tied in over here. Once again, I said make sure it's glued. It's all glued together. And the piece in front of it, so that way no pressure can make it come off. As you can see over here, we have the level. And the level is completely all the way downhill, which means everything else is extremely downhill. So the water should go in, go right out really fast. Now to show how it works. And that's how it works. Water comes up, facilitates out onto the grass, over the curb, and goes down, follows the path of least resistance all the way to the storm drain. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. And until next time, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe.